Welcome everyone. This is kind of a crossover video, kind of related to Harbor Freight. Working on my toolbox, so now would be a great time to hit that like and subscribe button. I'm still setting on my box. And I got the Supra here, and all I have is low profile jacks that barely fit underneath the lowered Supra. Well, I tried lifting the truck the other day, and I had to put two 2x4s underneath the frame rail just to be able to get this thing off the ground less than an inch to do this wheel swap. So I went and picked up from Harbor Freight the Badlands Off Road Jack, 3-ton jack. This jack is actually amazing. It retails for about $320, and I took advantage of a 25% off coupon that they had, so I think I had it out the door for $270 with sales tax. A pretty good deal. And so let's dig into this. Undo the tape here, and let's see. Okay, so it does kind of come unassembled a little bit. We have the wheels. These wheels are really nice. They actually have the sealed ball bearings in them to handle the weight and roll smoothly. Part of the riser, of course, your owner's manual instructions. Another part of the riser here that goes with that. This little set of tools and a little wrench. I'll see if I can do this one hand here and show you guys what we're dealing with. So as you can see, this thing is super beefy, really thick construction. Has a handle here to carry it around. Besides, this part actually locks as well, so that you can kind of tilt this thing up in a wheelie and move it around. So if you made it this far in the video, definitely hit that like and subscribe button. I am working on the truck a lot, the Supra a lot. Won't be using that jack. Been putting together the Harbor Freight toolbox, and of course the fan. All my videos have all this kind of stuff in here. Also, you don't really need to see how to put this jack together. If you need to buy a jack like this, you should know how to put it together. So I'm going to slap the wheels on, and then I'll kind of show just a quick demo of it and tell you what my thoughts are on it. So hold on tight. All right, it is put together. Literally took minutes. So, washer, locking nut. Just used a simple 19 millimeter. I guess you really can't over tighten these. That put on all four wheels. The riser piece, it's in two parts here. This turns and indexes into some holes underneath here, and the tool to tighten it up is built into the jack. The first time you receive it, the pump handle is in the down position, and hiding in here is this little black knob that keeps it from going up. You got to remove that. The only other thing you have to install on this is this little simple holder here. It looks like a fire extinguisher holder. These two little simple, I use just this Allen key, 4 millimeter Allen key, to get down there and tighten them up. And that's when you take this riser off and you just use the pad. That is what, this is like the storage area for it. Now I do know a lot of people were saying that this does tend to get lost somehow. This clip comes off or something, so maybe bending it, maybe that's important. This is the little lever right here that lets you, I have it in the released position right now. That little lever lets it pump, and if you want to roll this thing around, and I'll show you an example of that in a second, you actually turn this down and it locks, and then that allows you to, like I said, pop a wheelie and move this thing around. So I'll set it up the tripod. I'll show you me rolling this underneath the truck. Not that exciting, but I'll show you real quick and kind of give you how I feel about it. All right, so check this out, how easy this is. So, you know, that's the Badlands 3-ton jack. You know, even on the truck, that little riser there, it might be actually too much for it. It actually didn't go low enough to hit the frame rail on the truck. So should I jack the truck up or just take that riser off? Either way, thanks for watching the video this far, and I will be doing an update as I continue to work on the Harbor Freight toolbox on getting all the drawers organized and everything. So stay tuned for that video. So that's why you should like and subscribe to this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.